Hi and welcome to Wigan RC. Beautiful day in Melbourne today, and as you can see this is a bit different. We're actually still in RC, but I thought I'd give my hand at flying a plane. So this is probably my first attempt at flying a 4-channel plane, and here it is. So it's going to be a Hobby Zone Mini Apprentice S. I chose this plane because it's supposed to be a good trainer. It's brushless, it takes a 3S small LiPo battery, and it's a good entry level, mainly because of the new technology of this safe flight. So you can basically on these now press a button and recover if you're panicking. So it actually is called, I think, a panic mode. So there's a safe return to smooth flight on these. So yes, let's get straight into it and open up this new toy. It's quite a large beginner plane. So now this is a ready to fly RC plane. Oops, put that there. Okay, so in the box, I'll take this around so you can see, comes everything you need. So you've got your Spectrum remote, batteries for your controller, and it's got basically a charger that you can plug into your car, as well as your mains adapter, which is handy. Comes here with your 1300 mega amp 3S 11.1 volt battery, and it's great that it also comes with AA batteries. This is your charger, which plugs straight into there. So when you're out on the field, you can either charge the battery from your car if you've got spare batteries, and if you want to carry on flying. So that's that. And then inside there is the rest of the plane. So I'll take the controller out first. Okay. So there's the controller. A bit more complex than what we're used to with RC cars, but I'm sure I'll get the hang of it. So it's a Spectrum DXE controller. Okay. And in here, I should actually get my knife. Okay, so obviously here at the the owner's manual. So wow, it's a pretty thick book. Obviously it's in different languages, so looks like there's a good 20 pages of reading to do. And the rest of this plane seems pretty well go. Cut that. Cut that. And oh, great. So in the box, all the servos come pre-installed, and wires obviously to go to the ailerons, I think. So we'll put that there. Move this stuff out. Here we have landing gear. Tail sections here. Alright, so that's everything out of the box. So let's put that to one side. Okay. So a little bit of assembly to do. And we'll quickly assemble this and then see how we go. Okay, so quick assembly. All you have to do basically is assemble the landing gear. Front wheel's already done. Connect the rudder and the tail end, and basically then connect the two plugs for the ailerons, and then 6 elastic bands holding the wing on top. So very straightforward. And if we turn it over, we can see here is where the battery goes, and we've basically got to put the binding plug in here and connect the battery. So here's the battery, it goes in here. So I'll be looking forward, guys, to showing you my first flight with this, and yeah, take it from there. So we're just charging the batteries. We've got a new dual charger, so that I may have shown in the previous video. Shows the percentage of the fuel cell. So one's 81, one's 28, 4 volts and 3.77. And there's the second spare battery I bought for the Apprentice Mini plane. So yeah, we've got that going. We're almost ready to get in the air. Okay, so here is the maiden flight of the Mini Apprentice S. So we are going to try our first flight. Bit of a field here. Going to take off into the wind. Nice little area here. And thankfully nobody's here. So probably take off in that direction. The grass is a bit long, but hopefully I'll be able to take off okay. And then we'll try and trim everything up so it's on low, throttle's back, arm, we're on beginner mode on the controller. Alright. Oh, it's very low. The grass is so long that it's going to be a bit difficult to take off in this long grass. Let's try look for some shorter grass. Okay. Here we go, but I'm a bit nervous. Okay, I'm going to slow down and we'll try again. Little crash. Didn't damage anything. Just everything seems okay. Okay. Oh, well, good job. When you crash, you got to turn the throttle down straight away so that when the propeller hits the ground, it doesn't carry on spinning. Okay, that's fine. Bit of dirt. Wow, flying a plane's a lot harder than an RC car. Don't like the sound of that. Okay, it's only hitting a little bit, but okay, we have done some damage and broke the propeller. Shucks. Okay, well, that was a very quick initial tester. I'm a bit shocked that it broke that quick. Okay, well, I better buy a few of these propellers. Okay, because I think I'll be doing a lot more landings like that. Okay, ready for another try at flying this. We're in beginner mode, but here goes. Ease into it. Okay. Okay, well, whoa, wow, my heart was about to come out of my throat. The wind took that a bit further away than I'd hoped, and I'm in total shock. I managed to bring that back and land it for the first time. Oh, that was scary. Well, there is my maiden flight, and I think I'm going to call that a night until I get more practice.
Okay guys, RC signing off.